If you've ever taken one of my live classes, you've seen this tank. It holds 75 gallons of fresh water and is home to the adult axolotls. The clear divider in the middle of the tank helps to keep Quarry and Teeny apart. They could bite each other, which isn't really that big of a problem because they're about the same size. The real problem is that Quarry is a boy and Teeny is a girl. We are not ready for over 1,000 baby axolotls in our house, so the divider is very important. Quarry and Teeny also share their space with feeder guppies and ghost shrimp. These tiny tank mates are a safe snack, but they don't eat them very often. This tank has large rocks and sand on the bottom. Anything smaller than an axolotl's head could end up in their belly and make them very sick. The driftwood pieces help to keep the water healthy and are fun to climb on. The plants you see aren't real. Live plants need a lot of light, and axolotls don't like it. I only turn these lights on during classes and filming, but they always have a place to hide. Sometimes they like to hang out on the hammocks near the surface of the water. So cute! Everything in this tank has been chosen based on research to make sure the tank is axolotl safe. The next video will tell you all about the bubbles and pumps.